Automotive stock, ticker MULN, $1.02 now at the time of this video. The trading volume is down actually quite a bit, right? We're looking at average trading volume of around 264 million, which is pretty consistent with what the trading volume we've been seeing, I guess you could say, over the last month or so in regards to Mullen. But here, Monday, after the reverse split was on Friday, we're getting just a lot less trading volume in regards to this stock. For me personally, I don't have a position. I did have a previous position in Mullen, like I talked about in every video. I'm not recommending purchasing, or I'm not even recommending putting Mullen on your your watch list. This is a stock that I do enjoy covering on this channel. And yeah, keep that in mind. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But let's get into the big news of the day here as we continue to cover Mullen here on the channel. Mullen provides fiscal third quarter results and current business update. So again, this was obviously announced on the Mullen website, but I'm reading it here on Yahoo Finance. Also, a lot of people have been leaving comments on my videos saying I should talk slower, so that's pretty much what I'm going to try to do now moving forward. But you can see here, this is for the financial fiscal third quarter for 3 to 9 months ending June 30th, 2023, right? Obviously, the board of directors of the company has authorized a stock buyback program pursuant to which the company may, until December 31st of this year, purchase up to another 25 million in shares of outstanding common stock. The shares may be repurchased from time to time in the open market or in privately negotiated transactions, depending on the market conditions and other factors. The authorization of the stock buyback program does not obligate the company to purchase any shares and may be terminated or amended by the board at any time prior to its expiration date of that December 30th day. The company ended the fiscal quarter of June 30th with stockholders' equity of 351 million compared to a 157 million that was on September 30th. So a 124% increase of stockholder equity, right, from September 30th, 2022 to June 30th, 2023, which makes sense as there was so many new investors here, specifically in Mullen. You can see here during the quarter that ended June 30th, 2023, the company successfully secured 100 million in funding from its Series D preferred stock investors, which completes all remaining investment obligations to the Series D holders. With this latest investment, the company's cash and cash equivalents now exceed 200 million, bolstering the liquidity and supporting our move from a prototype to production for commercial vehicles. During the quarter that ended, the company recorded its first revenues on the sale of campus EV cargo vans. I believe those are the ones, I want to say, with the Randy Marion Auto Group. The company also will host a commercial EV product launch event on August 24th. This will showcase what they've been working on here in Tunica, Mississippi as well. Right here, this is obviously what we all talked about, or this one first. July 23, it announced Mullen Motors, in which the company holds a majority ownership, has received final approval of a $3 million grant from the state of Michigan, which we've talked about. The 1-for-9 reverse split August 11th in effort to regain compliance with the NASDAQ, right? This is obviously happened Friday and was kind of just that pillar, or just that thing that we've all been waiting for to happen in regards to Mullen, and then it finally did happen on Friday. As the weekend passes and now we're here Monday, a brand new trading day, we are just not seeing any sort of positive trading volume at all. During the quarter that ended in 2023, is June 30th, 2023, Mullen delivered the first demonstrator Mullen Go, a commercial urban delivery EV, to Newgate Motor Group. I guess this is in the United Kingdom. And expects further sales growth with Newgate and other distributors in Europe. And finally, a quote here from David Mickery. We are very proud to report Mullen's move from prototype to production for our Class 3 commercial vehicle. This milestone marks the next phase of our journey towards transforming the EV landscape and driving sustainable mobility solutions. Tunica, Mississippi will be for the Mullen Class 1 and Class 3. The Mishawaka manufacturing plant will be home to the Mullen 5 and the Bollinger B1 and B2. Oak Park, Michigan will obviously be Bollinger Motors, which it has been before for a while now, as Bollinger Motors has just now kind of been acquired by Mullen. And then the Mullen Vehicle Program, Troy, Michigan. Mullen Consumer Vehicle Program, Irvine, California. The Mullen Go, Mullen Advanced Energy Solutions financial results here as well. 3 months ending, the net loss attributable to common stockholders after preferred dividends was $389 million, or $11.14 net loss per share for the 3 months that ended in June 30th, 2023, as compared to a same loss of $4.26. So quite a bit larger of a net loss here, attributed to common stockholders after preferred dividends from last year till now. So obviously financials aren't great here for Mullen, as we weren't expecting them to be, right? We weren't obviously not expecting them to be great. But I do want to go over a few things here with regards to Mullen. I guess David McCree, someone asked him to change his profile pic to show he supports the retail investors. And I believe he did it. Let's just see real quick. I just saw his Twitter account. Literally just saw his Twitter account. Yeah, right here. So he changed it. Yeah, what a guy. What a guy he is, I'd say. But yeah, and then finally I wanted to just share this as well. This is interesting. Shout out to expired1337 on Twitter. Mullen finally releases outstanding share count as of August 14th. Mullen has 184 million outstanding shares. That's just split, just adjusted. That's 184 billion. No, 184 million outstanding shares. That split adjusted. That's 1.65 billion shares pre-split since June 22nd. David McCree has diluted 1 billion shares. He said that during the time frame that was not the case. Pre 1 to 25 split, there would be 41.4 billion shares. So I said it would be 2 billion. Wasn't too far off. Definitely not. Now we're the other registered shares. It means the CEO is the main reason to go for Mullen price to go down, not naked short. And this again just goes back to just the overall FUD that a lot of people have towards David McCree, and where he is now as the CEO of Mullen, and where he could be even a year from now, or where Mullen stock is, Mullen as a company is as a whole a year from now, right? Because I think Mullen's at a crossroads now because they are now back above $1. Don't necessarily have to worry as much about that potential NASDAQ delisting here. So again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Mullen. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.